Hi everyone, in this video I will show you fix Xbox. We can save more data for this game or application. So this means your Xbox can save you data because local or cloud storage is full for that game application. Step 1, you need to restart your Xbox console. Press the Xbox button on your controller, go to power and restart console. It clears memory glitches that may block saves. Number 2, if you can see local save games, you need to clear your local save games and confirm when prompted. Step 3, free app storage space. So sometimes the features are not the same, but what you're going to do is you have to go to games and application, select that specific game. You can delete that like unused save data, old DLCs or updates, games you no longer play. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 GB free in order for you to play this one. So all you have to do is to delete previous games or old games. Okay, and then next is you need to remove and re-add your account. So you can go to your settings. If you see remove account, then tap that one. You can choose your profile and then remove and then restart Xbox, re-add it via sign in, add new. And the very last thing, if after doing this method, still this methods didn't work, the last thing you should do here is to contact Xbox support if nothing works. So just go to support.xbox.com and dash es/contact us. And what you're going to do here is you just have to manually reset your cloud data, and then you can just chat to one of their agents and tell them your concern and issue, especially about this um, error code 0x80830003, and wait for their agent to tell you the instruction how to fix this one. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.